the violin, an object of many myths, stories, of many research and understanding or misunderstanding. And the bows. What about the bows? What do we know about bows? Only stories, but how well do we really understand them? How well do we understand mass distribution, weight or balance? How well do we understand elasticity, flexibility, strength, hardness? Is it all the same? Is it all different? What about the history? Do we really understand the history of the bow or its future? What does the future hold? Will we all play carbon fiber balls? Will there be Pernambuco balls in the future? Will we be able to travel and deal with them or not? How is that playing out? And these are some of the questions that I'll be addressing in my lecture. And there's so many more than you might bring with you. I'll be happy to talk about and to give you an possibly complete overview about what the modern bow is and where we are heading. Okay, see you at my lecture. Bye then.